Hello everyone, today we have an unboxing of Amazon products, Echo Show, Echo Spot and Philips Hue. The Echo Show is working Alexa app, and now the second version comes with a 10-inch HD screen, better sound, a better picture quality from Amazon. It also can be used as hub for your smart home devices. So inside the box we got the device, and we have also a power cable and a power brick. It's a nice feeling and packaging from Amazon, like always. And inside here we also have a leaflet. So be careful when you put your packaging away about the leaflet. On top here we have more LEDs and one camera and 3 buttons for mute, soft and louder. On the back we got 3 ports, power port, USB port and lock. There's a nice touch feeling of fabric here on the back, and we're gonna do a review later, but now let's go on with Echo Spot. I got them on 2 colors, black and white, but the white one is only on the back because the front of the screen is still black. So there it is, guys. Inside the box we got power cable, leaflets and the Echo Spot device. This one is on black finish, and same has a screen here. Then you got 3 buttons on top, mute button, soft and loud. On the back you got Amazon logo and 2 ports, one for power and one with a 3.5 jack. And that's pretty much it about this one. Well, let's see how the white versions look like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my unboxing videos and yes for videos. And of course we're gonna do some reviews on these ones too later on another video. So you got a white power brick, you got same leaflets for Echo Spot, and you have the device with a white finish, but on front screen still looks black. You got only the white finish at the back. You got Amazon logo, same ports, same buttons on top, and 4 microphones and 1 camera here. Next we have the Philips Hue white single bulb B22 warm white. Let's open this box to see what we have inside. Here you have the bulb from Philips Hue. It's working with Alexa Amazon app, and you have a personal wireless lighting, and everything is here in this menu, how to connect and how to set up this bulb. But we're gonna do this on next videos on my channel, so stay tuned and watch my next videos. That's all for today, guys. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell, and like it and share it on social media. Until then, I wish you all the best. I see you soon.